Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend today in the daily newspaper on Sunday. Yes, July the 20th, July the 21st, 2024. Yeah, let me show you. July the 20th, 2024. We have here two irregular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. And also a Samurai Sudoku. Samurai Sudoku I will solve Sunday evening. The Medium Sudoku I will do this in a minute. Let me show you in this puzzle page of the Saturday edition. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. And the last one is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening. And for tomorrow afternoon, we have here a puzzle, an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. Now I will solve this regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku, and in the evening I will do the 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. All right, this one will be number 8933. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 27. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Well, for a puzzle with 27 printed digits, I need it's a 1 star actually, and I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And if it's 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the number 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, need 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 4, 4, okay. 7. Come on. 2. And I need a 1 here. I need a 1 there. I'm thinking. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8, okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. No, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then 9 and 1. 8, 8. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this row, the 4 and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8, 8, okay. Then 8, 8. Need a 4 here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. Need a 8. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 6 there also. Alright. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left 2 should be there. Then 9, 2 and 5. No, 1 and a 9. Okay, 1 and a 9. Let me think. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. Oh, wait. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So the last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 in the second column. No 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Now 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2, okay. Then. Well, we have a pair. The 2 and a 7 in the first row. The 2 and a 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for the number 1. Alright. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe, the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in the last row. Oh wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes at there. Then Two numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 5 and the 8. All right. Then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then let me see. How about, let me see, 1, 5, 9. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Actually, it's 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. Need to be faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.